Following a thorough study, a task force of parents and other community members determined that Pershing has critical needs that must be addressed by renovating our building.
Beyond the installation of air conditioning and a new secure entrance, Pershing has had very few modifications over the years to improve the overall learning environment.
One particular area of concern is our hallways. We have 700 students that pass through our hallways during transition times. Our small hallways is a safety concern because in an event of an emergency and we needed to move really quickly, it will slow down the process.
The gymnasium and cafeteria are too small to meet the current school's needs and create challenges for serving meals, scheduling classes, and hosting special events. Beyond insufficient capacity, the gymnasium also poses some safety concerns due to limited points of exit.
These two doors are the only way you can enter and exit our gym, and that is another safety issue.
A renovated school will have a designated storm shelter gymnasium, which will offer the added benefit of keeping students and staff safe during inclement weather. The renovation will also replace the outdated HVAC system, removal of asbestos tile, and improve traffic flow for student drop-off and pickup.
Learning spaces would also be modified, including customized science labs and fine arts classrooms. These planned improvements will ensure that Pershing students have the quality learning environment they deserve and that our building is safe and secure.
Remember to vote Tuesday, April 4th on Proposition S.